I didn't see it coming. None of us did. It was just another day, man. We were ruling the world. Reliable, established, respected. But then, boom, out of nowhere. The sky lit up. Everything changed. One moment we were kings, and the next, dust. Me, my guys, everyone around us. Dust, scraps, wiped out. Just like that.
Did you have any indication that the meteor was coming?
What meteor? I'm not talking about a meteor. I'm talking about LabOS.
LabOS?
Yeah, LabOS. They didn't come with flashy marketing or legacy baggage. No thundering footsteps, no chest-pounding press releases, just a sleek interface sliding in like a breeze, and before we knew it, they were everywhere. Fast, scalable, clean UI, real-time integration. No more waiting for next version rollouts or patchwork fixes. They weren't trying to evolve, man. They already had. They were the next generation LIS. And the labs, they dropped us like fossils. Like we were ambered in place. One minute, we were the dominant species. Next minute, we belonged in a museum.
And what did they bring to the table that you and your prehistoric peers didn't?
Adaptability. We were built for the Jurassic period. LabOS was built for what's next. They're cloud-native, AI-driven, built for interoperability. They don't fear the future. They are the future. But honestly, I respect it. If you're still running on stone tablets and nightly batch reports, you're next. Take it from an old dino who's been around and seen it all. It's time to evolve with LabOS.